Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Yesterday, we have discussed that the people of the valley were very happy, worked hard, kept their things tidy and clean, and took care of their children. But the problem was the hot weather. The children liked to play on the rock that looked like a sleepy dragon. And the legend of the dragon rock turned into a poem handed down through the year is this. In the times of trouble, the dragon will wake and free the village by making a lake. And indeed, the valley found itself in a time of trouble. How is it? Has not turned rain for a very long time, the wells were running dry, and everything was turning to a hot, dry brown. Now, today we'll read page number 46. Let's start. A week went by with no change. Some people were getting cross with the dragon and would look angrily at it when passing by. But the children had a plan. Quickly and quietly they moved around town, picking the fading flowers. Then they placed bunches of flowers around the dragon in a big circle. They scattered petals around its head and over its nose, then danced around it, skipping and chanting the rhyme that they all knew so well. In times of trouble, the dragon will wake and save the village by making a lake. The burning heat made them dizzy, and finally they all fell asleep in a heap. When they woke up, they looked up at the rock. Nothing had happened. A dry wind lazily picked up some flower heads and tossed them around. The air was thick with pollen and scent. A stony grey-nosed twist. I saw something, cried the youngest boy. They stared at the dragon, and ear moved. Now I am explaining. The adults of the valley become more frustrated and angry because a week went by with no changes. एक हफ्ता गुजर गया बिना चेंजेस के. तो जो एडल्ट्स थे, जो बड़े थे, they became more frustrated, they became angry. Okay, that the legend of the dragon rock has not been delivered. They surmise that the story cannot be true, but the children carry on. What they did? They made a plan. They quickly and quietly they moved around town, picking the fading flowers. What they did then? Then they gathered flowers from around town and built a circle around the dragon rock. Then, you know what happened? What happened then? Suddenly the wind blew, the dragon started to move. First a nose, then an ear. Finally the dragon raised his head and let out a giant sneeze.